role with the community solar project was basically to oversee the project and help with the construction and now the maintenance of the project. So that's for both the solar array and the battery storage project that we have here at Butler Warner. The basic concept behind community solar was to provide our customer with a green incentive and a green program associated with Fayetteville PWC, and have an opportunity to do some cost saving as well in the process. And with the batteries, that helps with the process of cost saving as well. The solar farm is located on Custer Avenue, and the solar farm is approximately 1 megawatt, and the battery storage project is approximately 0.5 megawatt. Since January, we've produced 400 megawatt hours with the array. The solar array can feed approximately 1,000 customers at PWC. The benefit of a solar array is that the energy produced by the solar array is not being produced by coal plants or other methods that are not as clean as a solar array. Fayetteville is the first solar project coupled with a battery project in eastern North Carolina. The batteries are designed to work with the CP, or the Continental Peak, by Duke Energy Progress. And when we dispatch the battery, what we're trying to do is curtail the peak, hence saving $18 a kW. We save on average of $9,000 a month. And so far we've hit the peak every single month. Battery storage is a relatively new technology, and the learning curve behind battery storage project has been very, very interesting. For instance, communication back and forth with our current infrastructure has been a learning curve for us. In order to get ready for the spring and the summer, we've cleaned the panels, so we've washed every single panel by hand, and also we'll be doing some land vegetation management around the solar array in order to get ready for the new summertime, which will come here in the next couple months. The maximum production from the solar array is, of course, between the hours of 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. during the day, because that's when the sun is producing the most amount of electricity, or watts per square meters. The power production associated with the solar array fluctuates with a number of different things. Cloud cover affects the solar array, the cleanliness of the panel affects the production of the array, amongst other factors like snow. So if there's snow on the ground or snow's falling down, of course, we won't have as good a production as we would on a non-snowy day. The battery in the solar array is kind of exactly like the time of use, so we're trying to curtail the peak. So just like a customer is trying to curtail their load at their house, we're trying to do the exact same thing with the solar array and the battery storage device. I'm really happy to be part of this project, considering it is the first in North Carolina and it's very cutting edge. And I've learned a tremendous amount of things with the solar array and the battery storage, and I'm really happy to be part of this project and this endeavor. And considering it's a success up to this point, I'm very content with the outcome. So being the first in North Carolina is very good because we get to see the technology first. On the flip side of the equation, we're the first one to make the mistakes. But so far, we've done a tremendous job at operating the battery and the solar array. As a customer of PWC, I was one of the first ones to subscribe to the solar array, and one of the reasons for it, it's such a good financial decision. I think, personally, saving that money after a year or two of payback is excellent, and I'm very happy with the outcome. And I would encourage anybody that has not subscribed to the solar array to look into it and talk to a customer representative.